Have you ever wanted some fresh pack of tokens and gold, so that you already want to buy anything you want? Well, you are lucky that I am gonna show you how to do that. However, the grinding can be this averagely slow, so it might not be fast to get some rewards in the game, making it difficult and time spending. But I was thinking that maybe speedrunning would work, so that it can be easy to get those rewards. But don't worry, you'll eventually get those rewards if you keep progressing. Now let's go ahead and see how we will be grinding some gold and tokens. As you may already know, golds are the easiest way to get in the game, since they are always everywhere in the dungeons, regardless of what chapter they are in. They can be found or dropped by enemies, objects, or selling equipment, getting 3 total diamonds in one dungeon, or even getting a star as well, lastly. But what dungeon is the best for farming gold? Well, most people said it's dungeon or level 42, because it gives you at least 150,000 plus above gold, just for simply getting a star and 3 total diamonds, and finding secret areas as well. That also includes the bonus level of the dungeon. It gives you at least 150,000 above gold if you find some hidden areas like in the dungeon, which is great for getting more gold. In conclusion, I personally recommend playing Dungeon 42, since it is the most effective way of getting gold, for those who are in need, require, or lacks gold. Without any other explanations, let us now go and find how to grind some tokens. Just like what golds do, tokens are known for getting equipment that does not cost gold, and instead does cost tokens. They can be earned by challenging and defeating players in competitive mode, going into the weekly dungeon, watching ads, etc. They are also not very quick to get compared to gold, meaning it takes quite a long time to farm or grind tokens, which is difficult and time spending, like I said before. Now, what is the most effective way of farming tokens? Well, I think the most effective way is to just beat players, beat weekly dungeons, watching ads, etc., and then repeating them until you now have many tokens to get, although it slowly gets irrelevant and boring because of the repetitive actions that you do in competitive mode. Even myself, I slowly get bored when I am trying to get some tokens after a while, and then try to sort it out by playing other game modes. But oh well, that's very common anyway. It always happens to everyone as well. Besides that, I hope you have learned everything in this video and have new ways of grinding some rewards in the game. Don't forget to subscribe and like as well, because it motivates me to create more videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.